Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Road to Miss Universe Korea 2024, Choi Soon-hwa, now trending as 79 years old contestant to Miss Universe Korea 2024. Is a remarkable example of how age is no barrier to beauty, elegance, and bravery. At an age when most might shy away from the limelight, she has chosen to embrace it, demonstrating immense courage by stepping into a competition traditionally dominated by younger women. Her decision to compete not only challenges age-related stereotypes, but also serve as an inspiration to people of all ages, reminding everyone that beauty and confidence are timeless qualities. As a model, Choi radiates elegance and sophistication. Her graceful demeanor and confident presence on a runway make her a true standout. And she effortlessly proves that age has not diminished her ability to shine in a highly competitive environment. Her bravery is even more admirable in an industry that often prioritizes youth, as she showcases the beauty of life experience and maturity. Choi Soon-hwa's journey in Miss Universe Korea 2024 is a bold statement about redefining the standards of beauty. Her participation is not just about winning a title, it's about breaking barriers, empowering others, and showing the elegance and courage can flourish at any age. She is an icon of resilience and grace. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!